If you're even a writer, surely you are of course starting to lose a lot of writing orders that's gonna take place. However, if you build your brand as a writer, if you keep good connection with your clients, they're going to still reach out to you, because ChatGPT would write it, but that piece is not 100% unique. But if you are a writer who build a proper relationship, we have writers still we work with, and I still reach out to them. Even though I do the research, I use ChatGPT to come up with the titles and the things and description and the tone and how it's been written, and if I like it, I'll send that piece to the writer and ask like, can you write something like this with the references and all those things added? So if you are a writer and if you want to keep your writing clients and want to scale your writing business and still to make money, because what happens is with ChatGPT, your writing is going to even take off, and it's going to be much more efficient if you know how to use the proper prompts, ask the right questions, gather the information, and then put your words and write a piece. That's what most business websites owners would want. And if you're a writer and if you want to save your writing career during the time that ChatGPT is really getting smart and taking over, that's how you need to do. And also you need to be a writer that really keeps a good relationship with your clients, because some of those business owners, they will see how ChatGPT can be used. But if they see you doing a job and you deliver a nice piece of a content and you give nicely done, references added, all those things, they're going to still reach out to you. This is how you need to thrive as a writer and keep your writing job when ChatGPT is really taken off, and transform your writing career while using ChatGPT to the best of standards. And as if you want to really take off and get clients, be that ultimate author, the writer, Google my name, Fernando Raymond, you can see how I have positioned myself as with the books and some reference. So if you are that kind of if you build your personality, your personal brand as a writer or writing agency, they're going to reach out to you. When they check, they want some of those added things that you can do. They see you publish a book, they're like, okay, I actually would like to get a book. And that case, even though ChatGPT is there, a human is going to be needed. So this is where you can add your value as a writer when ChatGPT is really taking off. And this is how you could protect your job and keep making money and go about scaling your writing business. I know what happened is like some of the writers like really gone away, because I saw some of the cheap writers we had that we dealt with, we no longer take because their content was mediocre. They were not the best writers who were delivering on time, the best of standards content, and we got for them for like some of those mini startup blogs like private blog networks and this stuff. They're out because ChatGPT can write it better, and there are a lot of AI tools that even work out better what ChatGPT AI API would do. So these are the things that you need to consider at a time when ChatGPT and all those tools are coming, and how you would keep evolving, because it's not just ChatGPT, and even I tell to videographers and the people, all these tools are right now coming. But however, if you develop a good relationship with your clients, keep delivering really well, do the best work to them, and keep serving, and you build a good relationship, they're gonna because what happened with these tools, you can be efficient. If you've been writing 5 articles a day, 1 article a day, you can now maximize, because also your client can do the research and send to you. You can ask like, can you ask the question and from ChatGPT and give me some variation samples that you like. A lot of ways, guys, like you have to be thinking creatively. How I now do with our writers, I would get a piece of written, I'll get a couple of samples written, I'll see what tonality I like, and I'll say, guys, like the writer, I want this title to match out and give me a nice paper that I can add my thoughts and the stuff and all, because I will tell over a voice message, these are my thoughts, these are the examples I want, this is my expertise, and these facts has to be there from my own voice. So add it up, mix it up, put the reference, make a nice story, and give it to me to get it ready to go on the live on the blog. So think creatively. ChatGPT is really coming up, but if you're a smart person, you can think and evolve and work on a good relationship with your clients, you can scale on your writing business. And let me know what you think and what happened to your writing business, your writing agency. Did you see a massive downhill, or you just scaled it? How are you utilizing? I would like to know. Drop your comments below, and if you like as a writer to build a brand, as you can see, my name for Fernando Raymond, you can let me know. I will tell you exactly what needs to be done to build a thriving personal brand that when people Google your name, they're like, I want to work with this person, whether it's writing, whether it's videographer, whatever the things you're doing. So I'll see you guys in the next video.